Hey, what's up, YouTube? So, welcome back to my channel. So, we have Lil Peep Benz Truck Part 2. Now, I have never heard Benz Truck Part 1 before, and this is really kind of like my first reaction to Lil Peep in like 7 years. So, I don't know what to expect from this, you feel me? Also, I hope that it's not AI, you feel me? But I'm gonna check this out and get my honest opinion. So make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. And now, let's begin.
Golf Boy Click.
This is giving 2016 vibes 100%.
Ooh, big head on them. Baby, call me up, tryna fuck, cause you know I'm finna get the Benz truck. Good luck, motherfucker. I was in the car getting sucked from another bitch, popping out a bean and a double up my cover shit. Call me up, tryna fuck.
He said I was in the cut getting sucked from another bitch. Now that's crazy because he just said, now I'm not too sure, but I think that he said that he just called up his girlfriend, you feel me? So, hey, that's crazy.
Cause you know that I've been getting to the bus, good luck, motherfucker. Back at the club, fucked up on some other shit. All I ever wanted was a Benz and a bad bitch. All I ever wanted was a friend. All I ever wanted was a brand new Benz truck. Now I wonder where my friends gon' end up. Money don't help with the pain, where the drugs at. Make a few.
Money don't help with the pain, where the drugs at. See, now this is it's reminding me of Juice World. You feel me? Now they both passed away due to something completely different, technically, but this does remind me of Juice World.
Call the plug back. She like, baby, where you going? When you coming back? I'll be away for a month. When I get back, we can fuck. I'll be away for like.
I'll be away for a month. Hey, I wish I could go away for a month.
Time. Everything I say at the right time. Giving girls cocaine, white wine. Everyone afraid I'm a lifestyle. Baby, call me up, tryna fuck, cause you know I'm finna get the Benz truck. Good luck, motherfucker. I was in the car getting sucked from another bitch, popping up a bean and a double up my cover shit. Call me up, tryna fuck, cause you know that I've been getting to the bus. Good luck, motherfucker. Back at the club, fucked up on some other shit. All I ever wanted was a Benz and a bad bitch.
Eating cereal with no milk is crazy, by the way. Okay, so that's it for the video. This was definitely made back in 2016. Well, actually, I don't know when he passed away. So, did he pass away in 2016, before or after? Y'all let me know in the comment section. But this is definitely around the 2016 vibes. You feel me? It's a cool song. It's not too deep or nothing. You feel me? But shout out to Lil Peep. And yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and peace out.